Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by taking control, fork in your non-dominant hand with tines down, knife in your dominant hand. Place handles into the heel of your palm and rest your index finger along the knife spine for control. Once done, lean slightly forward so the plate sits 6 to 12 inches away. This reduces reach and keeps movements precise. Make small guiding cuts with the knife while using the fork to steady food. Practice light pressure. Magnified force makes food scatter. You now focus on cutting and transferring. Cut one bite-sized piece at a time so you avoid dropping bits. Use the knife in a controlled sawing motion rather than hacking. Once a piece is free, keep the fork steady and use its tines to present the food toward your mouth. Make sure to place the cut piece near the plate edge facing you for an easy lift. If you need to switch to continental or American style, make that change deliberately to maintain rhythm and control. Finish each bite with steady, deliberate motion. Bring the fork to your mouth with tines facing the plate and close your lips slightly to remove the food. This prevents spillage. Once done, reposition the fork to steady any remaining piece. If something slips, stabilize it and cut a smaller portion rather than forcing a large piece. When you complete the meal, lay knife and fork parallel on the plate with handles at 4 o'clock. This signals completion and keeps things neat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.